Welcome to my channel, Magnificent World Through My Eyes.
Today we had a fun-filled day. In the morning we went to Surkhanda Devi Mandir and then headed to Terry Lake where we had an exciting speedboat ride. At the lake there was this wonderful floating cottages where I'm definitely going to stay in my next visit. Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm at Kanatal. This is a place a little above Rishikesh on the way to Mussoorie. So here in the Kanatal I'm staying at a place called Majestic Camp. Kanatal Majestic Camp, which is almost 1 kilometer inside the forest area. So if you can see, it is right inside the forest area, and from the main road it is almost 1 kilometer, and it is, if you see the road, it is an off-road inside. So it's a bumpy ride 1 kilometer inside, and then you enter the Kanatal Majestic Camp. So if you can see, the camp starts with 2 huts out here. So basically this camp has a few tents and few huts. So these are the 2 new huts that has been constructed recently. So this is 150, 114. So I'm staying in this 114, room number 114. It's like lovely and a cozy hut. Okay. So first of all, let me show you my room, which I am sure everyone would love it. A small balcony in front, so you can have a nice view around. Right. Okay, so you enter the room. Towards your right side you have a small table and a chair and your tea set, a cozy little bed with a thick blanket, and the main important thing is we don't have a fan here, so you can imagine how cool the weather is. A TV. You have a small wardrobe to keep all your belongings, and then you come out. Okay, I'll just show you the washroom also. The washroom is also really nice and well maintained. It's a small one with a geyser above there, which is very important here because 12 months it is cold here. So washroom is also very nice. And then the most lovely place is this balcony here. Okay, so this is the other hut that is there, and you have the entire view to yourself. You can see the hills, all the small villages you can see around. I don't know the name of these villages, but it is really mind-blowing. Since this is monsoon, the weather is not very clear. You can see it is all cloudy, but if the weather is clear you can see the Himalayan range on the other side. So this time I was not lucky enough to see the range. So here you have, as I told you, they have the camp. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 camps above there, and a 4th camp here, and few huts. There's 1 hut out there and a small hut out there. The bigger one hut out here is the dining hall. You have the dining hall, you have the kitchen there, and the reception. So guys, I would recommend everyone to come at least whenever you visit Kanatal, at least come here and have a stay for a day. You will really love this place. So we've seen the room that I've been staying in, and it is a lovely room. Okay, so now I'm going to take you around the entire property that you have out here. So you have the car parking here, so just walk a little bit. Oh, you even have a desk TV connected to your room. Start TV. water side. Okay, so I'm going to show you something very interesting out here. This is a water boiler. So, since here the weather is cold and the water is chilling cold, you have a water boiler here. So they've just covered it right now. So they put in the water from here. Okay, this is the inlet for the water. From here, they just burn the hoods. A pieces of burnt wood. They put it inside this cabinet. Okay, the water gets heated up and then the hot water is flown out of this outlet. So this is something very interesting. So you don't need electricity, you don't need a geyser. With a small piece of wood, you can boil the water. So here we are. It's a beautiful, lovely day with little bit of clouds above. I just hope that it doesn't rain today because the rain is really spoiling my day. We are planning to go for a walk today, a hiking. A 7 kilometers hiking inside the forest. So I am just hoping that it doesn't rain today. So now we enter the dining hall and the reception area. So it's a small one. No, the area is big, but not much. It's a very simply decorated. Nothing much. Here you have the drinking water. Here. And a reception with a small mandir where your keys are kept, your rules for the camp, a TV and a time. So we come out of the reception on the other side. So this one you can see 102 is the old hut. But I would not be able to show you inside the hut because someone else is already staying here. The rooms are not empty. So now here are the 5 camps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can count it. 103, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to show you one of the camp inside. Okay. So they've taken a good care of the safety. You have a fire extinguisher here. So this is the camp that you enter. It is a simple camp where you have a double bed here, a window, a few windows all around. There's one more here. You just need to fold it up. So this is the window. A dustbin here. 2 chairs and a table. Your electricity is the actual camping one. Here. 2 pin plugs. Okay, and you even have an extra bed. If you are people of 3-4 people, you can even use this bed. Okay, and then you have your washroom here. The washroom is also neat and clean, well maintained. With a mirror here. Follow me. So, this is one of the hut. And the most interesting thing is, if you take a hut, the charges I'll let you know later. They provide you breakfast and dinner. Lunch they don't, because you never know where you are in the daytime. So these are the 5 huts out here. And so the property ends out here. Oh, come, I'll show you something. Come, I'll show you something. That is an apple tree. It has an apple out there. Okay. So you just Have a look around. Have a look around. Come. And the 4 tents are down there below and a single hut. So I'm just going to show you the tent from here. We are now going to go down. Should we go down and show you the huts? If you want, we can always go down. We can always explore. And I'll show you something lovely. Mind-blowing. Look at this roses. The color is deep red, blood red, and it is lovely. There's just not one plant you have. You have the entire plant, the rose bushes here. Let's have a look. These lovely roses. I wish I can just take one of those. And in between you also have a white rose here, symbol of peace. So this is the stage that takes you down to the other tent. So come on, follow me one by one. Be careful. Be careful that you don't fall.
अरे चाय बन गई फिर ठंडी हो जाएगी नहीं ना
One step at a time, slowly. Come. We're almost there. These are the white flowers. I don't know what the name of this flower is, but it is lovely. So this is the second hut with the old hut. It seems someone is still staying here, so I would not be able to take you around, take you inside, and the 4 tent here. Okay. So, a really nice property inside the forest, peaceful. You will really have a great time staying here. Come. So you can see it's a dense pine forest here next to. And yesterday in the evening we just saw a deer coming out of that dense forest. It just came up to here. Okay. And you can see the 2 huts. The one towards here, right? And the one towards your left is the one which we are staying at. So whenever you all come to Kanapal, come to this place once. You will really love it. Okay? Bye for now.
Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe.